Hello everybody, welcome to Aju Karthik. Today we'll start with exercise 2.2 of class 8th. So, in the previous video, I've done the previous exercise 2.1 and in this video we are going to do 2.2 which has a total of 10 questions. So, let's see. In our first question, it is given that x by 2 minus 1 by 5 equals to x by 3 plus 1 by 2. See, our, my cap. Yes, our basic method to solve is firstly we keep x one side and constants other side. So x by 2 and here it was plus, so here it will come and become minus. X by 3 equals to here minus, so here it will go and become plus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 4. Now we take LCM. So this with this, so 3x and it multiply with this minus 2x equals to 4 plus 5 upon 20. Okay, so x by 6 equals to 9 by 20. Now x will be 9 into 6 by 20. It will become 10, it will become 3. 9 3 the 27 by 10. Okay, 27 by 10 will be our answer. Or you can further solve it and write it as 2.17. Okay. Now here all the n is one side and constant is other side. So we just start with taking LCM. So here LCM will be 12. 12 will be the LCM. Now we multiply it with 6, then it becomes 12. So 6n minus 4 3 times, so 3 3 9n plus 6 to 12, so 5 to 10n equals to 21. Now minus 9n plus 10n, it will be n plus 6n will be 7n by 12 equals to 21. Now n will be kept here and this will be sent there. 21 into, it will be reciprocal, so 12 by 7. So 7 3 times, 12 3 the 36, n equals to 36. Now let's come to our next question. Continuing further, we come on third and fourth question. So see, we take a red marker and first step is always to take the x term on one side and the constant term on the other. So x minus 8x by 3 plus 5x by 2, we take it here, equals to 17 by 6 minus 7. Okay. Now it will be, we just take LCM first, which will be 6. So 6x minus 16x plus 15x equals to 17 minus 7 into 6 is 42 upon 6. Okay, so 6 cancel because it will go there in multiply, so multiply divide cancel. Okay, now 15x minus 16x, it will be minus x, and 6x minus x will be 5x equals to 48 38 28 31. Okay, wait, not 31, 32 22, it will be 25. Okay, 5x equals to minus 25, so x will be minus 25 upon 5. 5 5s are 25, so x will be minus 5. I hope you understand it. Now second, see, our first task is to keep x term on one side, but over here already something is in divide, So what we do? We take it over there and this over there. 5 times of x minus 5 equals to 3 times of x minus 3. 5x 20, 5x minus 25 equals to 3x minus 9. Okay, this one side, this other side. 5x minus 3x equals to 25 minus 9. Okay, so 5x minus 3x is 2x equals to 25 minus 9 is 16. Now, so x will be 16 by 2. X equals to 8. Now, we'll come to our next question of the video. Now, coming to the question number 5th and 6th. These are a bit longer questions than the previous one, but still easier. So, firstly, I have told you what we have to do. We have to take same terms, similar terms on one side, but before it, we'll take the LCM. Okay? LCM. Now, 2t minus 2 minus 2t plus 3. So, 4, 3, 12 will be LCM. We multiply this with 3. So, 3 3s are 90. Wait. Yes, it is given in the question. 3t minus 2. 3t will be 90. And this 3 to the minus 6. Now, coming to this one, what we do? Minus 4 to the 80 plus 4 3s are 12. But it will also become minus because minus will be coming on this also. Minus 6 minus 12, 18. This will be equal to 2 by 3 minus t. Okay? Now what we do? Like 6 minus 6 minus 12 will be minus 18. Okay? And 90 minus 80 will be t upon 12 will be 2 by 3t minus 3t upon 3. We just take LCM. This will be 4 and this will be 1 only. So, t minus 18 equal to 4 to the 8 minus 4 3 the 12t. Okay. Now what we do? This will come this side and this will go this side. So 12 plus 1, 13 t equal to 18 plus 8, 26. So 13t equals to 26. So divide 13 by 26. So 13 to the 26 will be t will be 2. This was a longer question. Now this one. This m will come this side. Okay. m minus 1 by 2 plus m minus 2 by 3 equals to 1. Now we take LCM, which will be 6. So this will be 6m minus 3m. This will be 2 3 times. So 3m minus 3. I mean plus 3 because minus will be plus. Plus 3 to the 6. So 2m minus 4 will be equal to 1. Now 6m minus 3m plus 2m. So 6m minus m will be 5m. And 3 minus 4 will be minus 1. Upon 6 will be 1. So 5m minus 1 will be 6. 5m equals to 7. M equals to 7 by 5. Let's recheck it because it is. What is this? Sorry for disturbance. Let's recheck it. Now m, this is minus, so this will become plus. Or what we did, we just brought this side. Okay, now 6m, this 2 3 times, 3 times. Okay, now this will be negative, this will be positive, so 3 twice, so 2m, 2 into 2 4. Now this will go that side, which will become 6. 6 equals to 6 plus 2 8m minus 5, this will be 5m minus 1. Yes, and then yes, it is correct answer. Now we come to our next question. Starting with the next question, here we just multiply with the brackets, we get the answer. Okay, so 3 into t will be 3t, 3 into 3 will be 9, the symbol will be minus, and 5 into 2 is 10t, 5 into 1 is 5. So minus 9 will go there, become plus 9. 3t minus 10t equals to 9 plus 5. So minus 7t equals to 14. T will be 14 upon 7 will be twice, means minus 2. This very small question. Now this one is very long question. Not very long, but still longer. Okay, so we just do the same thing. Multiply. So 15y, 15 into y will be 15y. 15 into 4 will be 60 minus 2 into y will be 2y. 2 into 9 will be 18, but positive. Why? Because outside there is negative sign, inside is positive. So, I mean inside is also negative, so minus minus will become plus. Then 5 into y will be 5y. 5 into 6 is 30 equals to 0. So, 15y, now we take the terms one side. 15y minus 2y plus 5y equals to 60 minus 18 minus 30. Okay. Now, what we do? This was minus, we sent it there. This also, this also. Now, 15y plus 5y is 20y. 20 minus 2 is 18y. And 60 minus 18 is 42. 42 minus 30 is 12. Still, let's see once again. 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, 12. Yes. So, y? Y will be 12 upon 18. 12 upon 18, 6. 6 2 the 12, 6 3 the 18. Okay. So, 2 upon 3. Y will be 2 divided by 3, or you can say 2 upon 3. If you want to write it in decimals, you can write it as 0.66 or 0.6 bar. Okay, this question also finished. Now we come to last two questions of our video. Now these questions are like longer than all the others we have solved. This one is the longest. Now what we do? The same thing. 3 into 5z, 3 5s are 15z. Minus 3 7s are 21. Now again minus 9 to the 18z, and this minus 2 into minus 11 will be positive 22 equals to 4 8 the 32 z minus 13 to the 26, 13 3 the 39, and 13 4 the 52 minus 17 again. Now we just solve this. So 15z minus 18z will be minus 3z. Okay. Minus 21 plus 22 will be plus 1. Okay. So we have used this. Will be equal to 32z. And this. Minus 52 minus 17. 52, 62, 72. 69 minus 69. Okay. Now this we send this side, this that. So 69 plus 1 will be equal to 32z plus 3z. So 70 equal to 35z. Now you might have understood z will be 2 because 35 twice is 70. So 70 by 35 will be 2. Okay, now this question. This is point value. So what we do? We just do a simple thing. We multiply it by 100, multiply it by 100. So 100 into 0.25 4f minus 3 equal to 100 into 0.05 10f minus 9 bracket close. Okay, now 100 into 0.25 is 25 multiplied by 4f minus 3 equals to 100 into 0.05 is 5, 10f minus 9. Okay, now 25 into 4 is 100. 100f minus 100f minus 25 into 3 is 75 equals to 5 tens are 50 f minus 45. So this will come here, this will go there. 100 f minus 50 f equals to 75 minus 45. 75 minus 45 will be 30 and this will be 50 f equals to 30. F equals to 30 upon 50. Cancel. You can leave it as f equals to 3 by 5 or you can write f equals to 0.6. Both the answers will be correct whether you write in decimals or you write in like normal values. Okay, this will be our answer. Now this exercise is completely over. Let me check if there are, yes. So this chapter is also over. Now we'll come to our next chapter in our next video. Till then, bye bye. Hope you understood this exercise.